Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kathan. Students, we are on the chapter number 5, heat. We have studied about the form of energy, heat. Heat is a form of energy which causes the hotness of the body. The heat is always transformed from hot to a cold body. The transfer of heat take place from a hot like this warmer object to cooler object. If you place a hot tea on a table, it becomes cool after some time. Even in the winter days also, because heat transfer always take place from hot to cold object. We have studied about the transfer of different forms of energy. The heat energy get transferred into the other form of energy like electrical energy, mechanical energy, light energy, etc. The degree of hotness of the body is called temperature. Temperature is measured in the unit that is called Kelvin and degree Celsius. The instrument used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. And the SI unit is Kelvin. The temperature is measured in Kelvin and degree Celsius. In Celsius scale, it is written as, the example is given here, 30 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. And the thermometer has a stem-like structure here. You can see the stem-like structure on which the mercury expand. And it shows the calibration. The stem of the thermometer carry mark on the horizontal line to read the particular temperature. These marks are called calibration. There are different thermometer, clinical, laboratory and industrial thermometer. Here you see the clinical thermometer. This clinical thermometer we can use in our home also to measure the temperature of the body during fever. The difference between the clinical thermometer and other thermometer is here you can see a constriction or a kink or a bend. We can say this constriction, a kink or a bend. You can see here the bend in the stem of the thermometer. This constriction, kink or bend make it different, this clinical thermometer, from other thermometer. Here in this thermometer there is no kink. Similarly in this thermometer there is no kink or bend. But in clinical thermometer here there is a kink or bend. The kink or bend does not allow the mercury to fall suddenly. किंक की वजह से और बेंड की वजह से जो मर्करी है वो एकदम से नीचे नहीं आ पाता. और डॉक्टर दे कैन इजीली मेजर और रीड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द पेशेंट. जब डॉक्टर इजीली जो है जब पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर नोट कर रहे होते हैं तो वो इजीली उनके माउथ से निकाल के या आर्मपिट से निकाल के टेम्परेचर को इजीली जो है वो चेक कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ड्यू टू दिस किंक द टेम्परेचर कैनॉट फॉल डाउन फास्टली. इस किंक की वजह से जो थर्मोमीटर में मर्करी एक्सपेंड हो रहा है वो जल्दी से वापस नीचे नहीं आता. Here you can see the reading of the thermometer. It is from 35 to 43 degree. But in other it is higher, 100, 30 to 100. Similarly 10 to approximate 200. So this is also one of the difference of clinical and other thermometer. The clinical thermometer show the temperature which range of a body, and the other thermometer they are used to measure the temperature of different things, different object, chemical, etc. So there the range is very high and here the range is very low in clinical thermometer. This is one another difference between the clinical and other thermometer. Difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is shorter than laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is much longer than the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer removed from the body to read the temperature. Laboratory thermometer is read while its bulb is in close contact with the object. As I have told you, laboratory thermometer के अंदर किंक नहीं होता, तो उसके जो मरकरी है वो जल्दी से नीचे आ सकता है, तो हम उसको वहीं पे रीड कर लेते हैं. मगर क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर में होता है किंक, तो हम उसको आराम से निकाल के भी रीड कर सकते हैं. Capillary of the clinical thermometer have a kink just above its bulb. Laboratory thermometer has straight capillary. The range of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, as you have seen above. The range of laboratory thermometer is 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature of humans and animals. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of chemical reaction and laboratory process. तो अभी आपने साथ में आपका होमवर्क भी है कि आपने घर पे जो थर्मोमीटर्स हैं उनका यूज़ करना है, उनके अंदर देखना है वो क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर है या अदर थर्मोमीटर है, और अगर वो क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर है तो उनके अंदर किंक है या उनकी रीडिंग जो है वो कहाँ तक है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. ओके.